Hi everyone, welcome back. It's November. Welcome to the Tip of the Month Club. Today we're going to talk about termites. And the fall is usually a great time to think about treating for termites. The job requires a little bit of work. If you're going to treat around your house, what we're going to have you do is use a shovel, and ours are on sale for $11 right now, but you can use a shovel and you dig a small trench right around the base of your house. And what you're going to do with that trench is you're going to drop a liquid solution in there. And that liquid solution is really easy to use. You're going to mix it with water in a watering can, pour it into that trench, cover it back up, and for 8 to 10 years, no termite's going to be able to cross that without perishing. So that is how most people will treat termites. That job right there that we described, that purchase is about $175 for 8 to 10 years of termite treatment. Pretty good. Now, once in a while, you might just see small termite tubes coming down from the ceiling or on a wall, but you walk around your house, the exterior, and you're finding no evidence of them. Well, this is a handy little product called premise foam, and you can use this little tip by drilling holes near those exit tunnels, injecting this in those holes. It'll expand. They'll walk right into it. They won't know what hit them. They'll go to their buddies to have them clean them off, and that's called the transfer method, and that's how you take down the colony. So a couple of really neat products for termites. They're not that hard to apply. These jobs, if you call a professional, will run you 10 to 15 times what you're going to pay. So come talk to us. We'll show you how to do it. It's not that hard, and you'll do it right.